Okay. Now, is it a 1 which can be converted to improper fraction to mixed fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in which table, in 2 table, we are dividing this as 2 is the denominator, right? So 2 ones are, sorry, 2 twos are 4. So the subtraction is, when we subtracted 0, so we got the quotient as 2. So it's clearly divisible. There is no remainder, isn't it?
Yes,
So can you give me one more example so that it would be a improper fraction and without 0 as a reminder? The reminder should be more than 0.
ma'am. 4, 4 by 3.
4 by 3. Excellent. So quickly we'll divide 4 and this 3. So 3, how much? Which number you
3,
will do?
3
3
ones are.
ones. 3 ones, 3. So when we subtract, 1 is a reminder, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be the quotient, this will be the remainder. So when you are writing from improper to mixed fraction, you will write first the quotient, then the numerator, and then with the same denominator. So what is the quotient here? As we have the same number 1 and 1, you will get confused. So I'm writing quotient here 1 and the reminder here. I'll take quickly one example. So for this, uh, 3. Okay. Now
Okay.
you tell me, if I divide this 5 with this 3, 3 ones 3, subtract, you will get 2 as the remainder, isn't it?
1
1 is the quotient.
by 3.
Sorry?
1, 2 by 3.
Excellent, Mohit. This is the answer. Sorry. 1, 2 by 3, isn't it?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
can we this was the conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now, quickly we'll convert.
Mixed to improper.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know all this.
You know all this. Very good. So, shall we begin with conversions you know? Shall we start with the addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So, addition of fractions. Okay, quickly I'll ask you 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. How will you add this?
We should keep the denominator same and add the numerator.
Excellent, very good. So we'll add only the numerator. So 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2. Again, 2 ones, 2 twos. We use the cancellation method. So 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but it's 2, isn't it? Now, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. How will you add this? Are there like fractions?
Cross multiplication.
Sorry?
Cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication. Okay, that's great. So, what would be the LCM? What would be the denominator? We need to find the LCM of the denominators, right? 4 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what
Ma'am,
would be the LCM?
we should put 2 there and down 2 and
Yes. 1.
side 1 and
Excellent.
again 2
2
and
ones?
1.
Yes, yes. So, the LCM is 4.
2 into 4.
2 into 2 is 4. Yes, you know it. So the denominator is 4. So first one, the first fraction 3 by 4 is having the same number. So we'll multiply with the same number 1 so that the denominator is 3 by 4. What will you multiply for this to make them like fractions so that you have the denominator here 4
We should multiply by the other's denominator.
with 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 ones 2, which is 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 plus 2 by 4. So it is how much?
5 by 4.
5 by 4. If you convert to improper fraction, what would be the answer?
5 by 4.
This 5 by 4 is improper, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The final answer, you can keep the improper fraction. So you need to
Yes.
convert it into mixed fraction. If you convert to mixed fraction, what would be the answer?
1
Yes.
1/4.
1 by 4. Excellent, Mohit. Okay. So you know the addition also. Great. So we shall do multiplication now.
Yes.
So multiplication. Okay. Quickly. 3 by 4 and 2 by 9. How will you multiply?
Ma'am, we should do 3 into 9 and 4 into 2.
Huh? 3 into 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Numerator to be multiplied with numerator and denominator with denominator, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If I go with one example, 1 by 2 into 3 by 5, you will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 1
Yes.
into 3 is how much?
3.
3. 2
2
into
for
5,
the 10.
10. When you check this number 3 by 4 and 2 by 9, if you check diagonally, that means cross multiplication, the symbol, when you check these two numbers 3 and 9, are they divisible in the same table?
No, ma'am.
No. Think which number divides these two numbers 3 and 9, in which table?
3.
3. So 3 how much? 3 ones,
Yeah.
3 twos.
3.
The same way, 2 and 4, 2 ones, 2 twos. In two table, you can divide 2 and 4, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
now
but
we
3 threes are 9.
sorry, 3 threes are. Okay. So 1 into 1 is 1. What would be the denominator? 2 into 3,
6.
6. Here we go. This method of multiplication where we need to cancel this numerator with the other denominator or numerator with the denominator, it's not a cancellation method. I hope you know this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Quickly, I'll give you a question. Okay. Oh, I think hardly 1 minute left. Okay. We'll check. We'll try to solve this question. 5 by 9 into 3 by 15. Can you solve and let me know the answer, Mohit?
Ma'am, 5 threes are 15. 15 nines are 135.
5. Okay. 5 ones and 5 threes. 9 ones, sorry, 3 ones and 3 threes. Isn't
Ma'am,
it?
9. Yes, ma'am. We should do 1 into 1 and 3 into 9.
Okay. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 3 is?
9.
Okay. Very good. So the next question, 2 by 7 into 14 by 24.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 4 6 are 24 and 7 twos are 14.
Yes, 4 ones, 4 6 24, 7 ones, 7 2. So further can it be divided? Okay, we'll multiply. 1 into 2 is 2,
2.
1 into 6 is 6. Now which
6.
table divide these two numbers?
2.
2. 2 ones, 2 threes, isn't it? So the
Yes.
final answer we need to write as 1 by 3. This is in the simplest form, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Simplest form. Simplest form of fraction. Yes? Okay. So did you heard, do you know the reciprocal, how to write a reciprocal of a fraction?
No, ma'am.
You don't know what is reciprocal? Fine. Simple thing. You have 3 by 4. Okay, example I'm taking 3 by 4 as a fraction. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Yes?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
reverse writing, where you will write the denominator and the numerator. That means you will inverse this. 4 comes to the numerator and 3 comes to the denominator. Now the new numerator and denominator forms. So this reverse writing of numerator and denominator is known as reciprocal of this fraction. So we say reciprocal of 3 by 4 is what? 4 by 3. Okay,
Okay.
clear? The
Yes, ma'am.
same way, I'll give you 7 by 9. What would be its reciprocal?
Ma'am, 9 by 7.
Excellent, Mohit. Then 1 by 4,
4 by 1.
4 by 1. 7, okay, no need of 7. 9 by 15.
15 by 9.
15 by 9. Now, this 15 by or 9 by 15, can it be reduced to its simplest form?
Yes, ma'am.
Which table will you use to divide these two numbers?
3.
3. 3 how much?
3
What will
5
be the
is a
okay,
15 for 15 5 and 9 3.
3. So the final answer will be 5 by 3, right? Now
Yes,
5
ma'am.
by 3 it needs to be converted to improper, right? As it's an improper fraction, you need to convert this to mixed fraction. What
Ma'am,
would
1
be
2
2?
1 2 by 3.
1, 2 by 3. Excellent, Mohit. Very good. Impressive. Okay, very good. So you know the types of fractions. By mistake, I was teaching for your brother, but even you were there, so you heard, right, what we were learning.
And before only they teach it in my school.
Okay, you learned all those things. Okay, that's good. Okay, so any doubts, Mohit? Whatever.